Waiting until something breaks can feel cheaper, until your e-commerce server crashes on Black Friday, orders vanish, and your team is stuck staring at error messages instead of helping customers. And when hourly IT services rates of $150 to $350 per hour are standard, one urgent outage can hit your profits fast. Max Barnhart, Director of Sales at Integritek, puts it clearly. Today, downtime isn't just an inconvenience, it's a missed opportunity. Businesses need predictability, and managed services shift the conversation from what broke to what's next. That is the real difference between break-fix services and managed services. Break-fix support means you pay when something goes wrong. On the surface, that sounds simple, but it often brings surprise costs, unpredictable budgeting, productivity loss, short-term patches, and the hope that someone is available when you need help most. Managed services take a different approach. Instead of waiting for a failure, you get proactive support, predictable monthly costs, maximized uptime, and help keeping updates and audits from falling through the cracks. The article also walks through how to make the shift, assess your IT spend, downtime, and recurring issues. Choose a provider based on flexibility, industry expertise, and support. Start with a pilot or phased onboarding, then keep improving through regular reviews and proactive support. If your team is tired of firefighting, unstable IT costs, and last-minute emergencies, this is a practical look at what needs to change. Read the full article to compare break-fix and managed services in more detail, and add this to your Spotify playlist for when you are planning your next IT move.